Good morning, guys. Myself Arjun Prasad Gond. Dear students, yesterday I sent a PDF in which I described about the many topics like Jacobin Club, the reign of terror, what is guillotine, a directory rules in France, and how did the directory rules pave the path to the rise of the Napoleon Bonaparte, etc. and etc. Today I am going to describe an important topic: how did women participate in the French Revolution and what was the condition of women during the French Revolution. It means, did women have a revolution? क्या महिलाओं के लिए भी क्रांति हुई थी? Dear students, from the very beginning, women were active participants in the French Revolution, but women disappointed that they did not have any place into the suffrage. It means, in France, women did not have the right to vote. After a long struggle, in 1946, the French women owned the right to vote or got the right to vote. Dear students, now I am going to another important topic, the abolition of slavery. Before discussing about the abolition of slavery, who were slaves? We will discuss about who were slaves. It was considered that slavery was started during the commercial age in Europe because trade was at top. During the 18th century, trade was at top. The European brought the African people, which were physically very strong, for hard work. And these African people were called slaves. All those African people who brought for hard work from Africa by the European, that people were called the slave. The slave trade began in 17th century. Now we will discuss about how did slavery abolish. How did slavery abolish from the French society? Throughout the 18th century, there was little criticism of slavery started in France. The National Assembly held long debates towards the slavery, but the National Assembly did not pass any laws. Then It was finally the convention which in 1794 legislated to free all slaves in the French overseas possessions. It means the convention finished the slavery system from France during the 1794, but it was for a little time, because when the Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of the France in 1804, he once again introduced the slavery system in France. Dear students, now we will discuss the point number or the part number 6, the revolution and everyday life. The revolution and the everyday life. What was the impact of the revolution on the everyday life of the people of the French society? The French Revolution changed the political power and gave birth to the new political ideology. Dear students, the revolutionary government tried to translate the ideals of liberty and equality into everyday practice. Censorship was abolished and freedom of press allowed. Declaration of the rights of man and citizen proclaimed freedom of speech and expression to be a natural rights. Now I am going to the last point, the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of France. He was the result of the French Revolution. He wanted to make the France world conqueror. He was called a modernizer of Europe. He introduced many laws such as private property, uniform system of weights, etc. He was finally defeated in 1815 in the Battle of Waterloo. But many of his measures had an impact on people long after Napoleon had left. So, dear students, the first chapter of history, the French Revolution, is finished here. I hope you will be study the textbook at home and try to understand this lesson very well. Thank you.